I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about how to write C++ program in Microsoft Visual Studio. So and here if you like to know how to download and install Visual Studio, so simply write at your Visual Studio 2019. Here you get the details. Now hereafter you should click this link. Visual Studio 2019, here it's opening. Now at here you can get at here three types of Visual Studio: Community, Professional, Enterprise. So you can select anyone. So here I'm going to select at here community. Now here after there is a one or exe file will open soon. So add here exe file vs underscore community. The size is 1.3 MB. Now hereafter click on save and here you can get. Now hereafter you need to click this option. Now here Visual Studio installer. So add here downloaded and install. Now here you get add here Visual Studio installer. So add here almost there. Now here you get this all option. Okay. So add here to write C++ program in Visual Studio. So add here the first important thing you should select add here desktop with desktop development with C++. So select this option. Now here you get this thing C++ profile tool here or live share in tally. Now here after, so this is enough. Now if you want, then here you can select add here universal Windows platform development and here or option is C++. So here you can also get, but highly recommend you should use select this option. Now here after the next is if you want to do some gaming programming development, so you should select add here this option and here mobile development. So you select add here this option. Now hereafter for Linux development with C++, create and debug application running in Linux environment. So add here for this one you should select this option. So add here C++ Windows Universal C Runtime C++ Linux development. But if you're using Windows, so first this is essential. Okay, this is essential. Now here after this will take and here total space required 11.31. But if you select only this one, so it will take around to 2 GB. Now here after you should click add here install button. So after that add here you can find add here Visual Studio 2000 Community 2019 and here starting operation and 0% 0%. So it depends upon your net. If the net service is higher or faster, you can install easily. But if net service is slower, then it will take more time. So add here after selecting this all option. Now here there I already have add here Visual Studio 2019. So add here going to open Visual Studio. So let's open Visual Studio. Now here after let's go to add here create a new project. Now here the first important thing is, so go to select add here language. So here you can find add here different language. Now I'm going to select add here C++. C++. Now here you get this all those things related to C++. So add here to create add here or like hello world programming on C++. So you should select add here this option. Select. Now here after the next is click on next button and here give the project name. So giving add here first and here CPP. Now here after let's click on create button. So here console app CP Windows and console. So add here creating project first CPP here. So add your project is created. Now here after, so here if you take the cursor at this point, so you get what exactly written on this. So this is the beautiful feature of Visual Studio 2019. So you get this option. Now here after add here, I'm going to delete some part. So this is not required. And here this is helping run project, control plus F5, or you can go add here debug, and here you can find start debugging, start without debugging. Now hereafter I'm going to delete this one. Now hereafter if I execute, so it will print at here hello world on the output screen. So at here building, and here this is the location. So here you can see hello world. Hello world printing because at here in cout, so cout console output, so it will display at here whatever in double code into the output screen. Now hereafter let's use at here. Here going to use cout, and here going to use fast C programming. So and here let's go. Now here after the next is getting added error message because cout is predefined function. It's start searching with the std. So add here either you can use add here namespace at this place namespace std, or you can include add here std. So this is the inherited double colon. So this is the inherited symbol. Now if you execute once again, now here the first time it's displaying hello world slash n, then cursor come to new line, and hereafter it's printing first CPP program. Now here you can write any kind of code. Now here there I already written one code for C++. So you should, and here I'm going to paste. First I'm going to make this on comment. So if you make the comment, the compiler could not understand. So hereafter using here using namespace, and hereafter, so add here this time, here you can see, so I include namespace and here using namespace std at this point, so there is no any error here. Now let's execute this code. So add here there are three integer type variables. So first cout function, so it's asking about enter two integer to add. So giving 6 and here 5. Right here 6 to that accept. Now 6 plus 5 that 11, 11 go to C, and here this will print sum of the number C value. So 11 and here it's a printing. So like this you can create any kind of code here C++ program in Visual Studio. So it's a very user friendly add here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.